Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will share with a tip for your iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. If you find the minimum volume too loud, here's how to fix it. Usually, you adjust the volume using your buttons on the slide of your phone, but if even at the lowest setting it's still too loud, follow the steps. First of all, go to the settings on your iPhone, then tap the general option from there, then go to the software update option from there to make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18.2 or newer. Once updated, scroll down to sounds and haptics option from there in the settings. Yeah, tap on it and look for the volume limit option. Here's after scroll down you can find the volume limit option from there. Tap on it, turn it on and set the limit to a lower percentage around 20 to 30%. This will reduce the volume even more. These settings only affects media sounds like music, movies and other audio. It won't change call or alarm sounds. If you found this tip helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.